Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Chandelier Beauty. Happy New Year. I know I'm late in the game. I've been out of pocket for a little bit and I'm super duper sorry, guys. It's been a lot going on. I'm preparing for some magazine interviews and I've been doing a preparation for a TEDx talk. So it's really been taking up a lot of my time. In today's video though, I wanted to let you all know that I will be posting up videos. I'm thinking once every week, so please click your notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. That's all I can do right now. I will be posting also on my Instagram once a week. So I wanted to get right into this. Until I can find the balance in my life, you guys, I'm going to have to do that once a week, and then I plan on, maybe boosting the frequency like I did before. So today I wanted to talk about 7 beauty products that I'm constantly repurchasing. And these 7 beauty products you won't regret buying. These are the foolproof ones, and you all who have tried some of them have told me how much you love them anyway. And the first one is from Vital Proteins. This is the Collagen Peptides. I've showed this, talked about this so many times in my video. If you're new, I also bring science to beauty, as well as I'm in the luxury beauty space. But one of the things about collagen peptides is as we age, we lose 2% of it, right? So collagen is really responsible for elasticity and firming the skin. It's also responsible for really helping you have those joints, working the way that you want them to. So this is going to give you joint support. It's going to boost the vibrance in your skin. You're going to see a nice, beautiful glow. It's going to firm up the skin, give you that elasticity that you need. It strengthens the nails. It strengthens your hair. And I highly, highly suggest this. One time ago, guys, I would have to use tips on my nails. Now with my SNS, I can just do an overlay. And I'm really happy with the strength of my nails and just how great this product works. So I contribute that to my collagen peptide. So that's that with this one. The next product that I wanted to talk about is from Fenty Beauty, and that is the Pro Filter Concealer in 345. You guys, when you purchase this, it doesn't have to be this shade, right? If you're not my shade twin. But I will tell you all, you will love the consistency of this product. It brightens up underneath your eyes. I'm wearing it today. If you're not into the brow bone highlight, which I'm seeing a lot of people in the beauty space not really into the whole brow bone highlight with shadows anymore. And you all know from back in the day, I always talked about the natural finish you would get with a concealer versus using an eyeshadow. For that everyday look, this is going to be the perfect brow bone highlight. And it just looks natural. And I have it on today, so I don't even have on a brow bone highlight. So I highly suggest the Fenty Beauty, and this lasts all day. And like I said, it really does brighten up the eyes. So I have it underneath my eyes, I have it underneath my brows, and that's all where I put it. So the next product that I wanted to recommend is from Gucci, and this is the Gucci Brow Pencil. I'm in love with this pencil because it goes on more like an eyeshadow. I'm wearing it on my brows. It is the shade Ebony, and you guys, it has a nice grooming brush on one end, and as you can see, this is super duper small now, and I've got to repurchase another one. I'm in love with Gucci's products. I'm in love with their ready to wear. Gucci's making a name for themselves. After, I think back in the day, they started to fall off, and now everybody's wanting to buy a Gucci bag, a Gucci, ready to wear piece, Gucci makeup. Some of the ladies at the counters in the Neiman Marcus where I was, they were talking about Gucci's nail polishes. Just really great quality you're getting from Gucci. So if you have this on your wish list, you won't regret the purchase. All right, another product that I wanted to mention, and I would be remiss if I did not talk about Chandelier Lux Lashes. You guys, I'm in love with the style Zaria, and I've been constantly going after Kenya, and I wanted to show you this one. It's more like a winged lash. So it starts short and then it wings out, and it just gives almond eyes this really seductive, beautiful look. And when, you know, talking about Chandelier Lux Lashes, I love it because they're lightweight, they're easy to apply, they're comfortable, and you get more bang for your buck because they last up to 25 to 30 wears. And taking care of your lashes is super duper important. And I'm sorry the lighting is doing something crazy, but definitely I highly suggest these lashes. These are my go-to all the time. Between Zaria and this Kenya lash, I'm always like, give it to me. I want it. I think Lady Grace is sold out. I'll have to check and see what that inventory looks like, because I have gotten some people inquiring about that one as well. That's our bestseller. All right, moving on to another product. I wanted to talk about the Natasha Denona palette. You guys, this sunset palette is absolutely beautiful. I'm wearing this shade on my eyes. Can you see that? This shade right here on my eyes with a wet brush. And this one is, I've been using this a ton, it's gone. And these colors are beautiful as well for an everyday look. But if you really want to make your eyes pop, especially at nighttime, these two colors right here are it. And I love, love, love this. And it reminds me of the new Chanel liquid eyeshadow, the gold one. And I did purchase that, and you guys, it's beautiful. The only thing I would say about that is that you've got to wait, apply the first layer and then apply the second layer and let it dry down. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll talk about the Chanel Spring Collection at the tail end of this video, so you all, because I know you all are wondering, like, how come you didn't do a review of this? You're a Chanel girl. But I really want to talk about that at the end so you all can see the swatches from one comparison to the other. So stick around for that. But let's get through these products. So the next product is from Gucci. This is the Gucci bronzer. I'm wearing this as a transition shade. I love this to bronze the skin. I love it for, you know, if I want to do a soft contour of the nose. This is just a really great color. This color that I have is number 5. This is a repurchase, and this one is almost done. It is subtle, it is beautiful, and even for those days when you don't want to wear a blush, this can work as a really nice blush for you too. It does remind me a little bit of the terracotta. Well, it is the new brunch shade from Chanel with the spring collection. However, that one has a little bit of a kind of like a golden hue to it. But I didn't purchase that, you guys, because I'm looking at, do I really need it when I have certain things that are so close to it? So, and that's just me. Everybody has their own thing. So please, you know, that's not shade on Chanel, because you all know that I absolutely love Chanel. But from that spring collection, I just passed on it because, well, I'll just show you all now. The comparison contrast between the number 5 holiday collection and the Chanel Spring Collection, I'm showing you here. And guys, I fell in love with the number 5, and that's the one I ended up purchasing. So I didn't get the Spring Quad because I wasn't blown away by that, honestly. So I passed on it. All right, now we're down to 2 other products that I wanted to talk about. This one is from Chanel. It is the Le Volume Mascara. You will not regret purchasing this. This gives you stretch, it gives you volume, and it separates the lashes so they're not clumping. So that's one of the great benefits of this mascara. The next product that I absolutely love is the Chantecaille Full C Mascara. This one, I would say, if you're looking for something with a growth factor in it that's really going to help the lashes to benefit, I love to wear this when I'm wearing falsies, because 6 weeks of using this really does grow your lashes, and that's the benefit of this one over this one. And this does give you stretch. You will love this product. There's no regrets. Either way, you can't go wrong. So I definitely say, you know, if you want to get both, you can. If you don't have to. So when it came to the spring collection from Chanel, you all know that I'm a huge fan of Chanel, and the spring collection was reminiscent of the La Pusa house that Mademoiselle had in the hills of the French Riviera, and the decor that she had in that home and the ambiance of just being warm and tranquil. And I love Lucia Pica's stories that she has behind each collection. I think that solidifies our buying experience. And so I looked at the collection, I swatched it, and as you all saw, the comparison contrast with the number 5 eyeshadow quad versus the spring collection L'Ombre palette. I just was not blown away by the spring quad. And 2 of the colors looked very close, so I didn't see why I needed to purchase that. But I did purchase, because you know I love nail varnishes, the Terra Rosa. This one is a beautiful shade. I love, love, love this. So I did purchase this one. And I did go ahead and purchase the Ombre Premier Lock. This is the liquid eyeshadow. And I did get this, but guys, I was looking at this versus what's on my eyes, and I'm like, this is so close, like I don't even know if I need this. However, I've already purchased it, so I won't be taking it back. And then I went ahead and I got Dreamy White, which was one of the lippies. Now, what I can say about the consistency here, it is a balm for sure. And it really is transparent, like there's no hue to it. So I purchased this because we're still wearing masks, and you know, I'm traveling to cold climates, and I figured why not have a balm again from Chanel. They make really great balms, and it really does hydrate the lips. However, if I was to choose a balm over this one, it would be from Chantecaille. Their lip balms are absolutely glorious. My sister's addicted, I'm addicted, and I just purchased it just so that I can have something from the spring collection. And I knew that I would use the lip balm anyway when I ran out of my Chantecaille ones. But again, I just didn't, you know, with just 3 pieces, it did not warrant me actually doing a separate video. So I wanted to bring that in on the tail end, or sprinkle it in this video with my 7 recommended beauty products. But c'est la vie.